Thank you. So what's today?
Happy birthday.
Yes! So the title of my story is Where Books Are Kept. So I'm going to ask all of you to come with me on a journey. There's a song you all do about the continents. Can you do it for me? Yes? Let's start.
America, South America, Europe, Africa, and Asia. Don't forget Antarctica, and don't forget Australasia. These are the continents, these are the continents, these are the continents
Of our world! So we're going to do the song again. When I get to the continents I'm going to be talking about, I'm going to ask you to freeze. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Let's do it again.
North America, South America, Europe.
Africa! Freeze, everyone, freeze! Freeze! Yeah! So now we're in Africa. But in Africa, guess what? We've got 54 countries. Did you know that? 54 countries. So I'm going to be telling you about Nigeria today, just one country. So in Nigeria, do you know where we keep stories?
No.
Not. So many years ago, help me go. Many years ago. Can you do that? Many years ago. The forefathers told their children the story. And what happened? The children told their children the story. And they kept the story where? In their heart. But now, where do we have the stories? In books. So years ago, stories were where? In the where? In the where? So do you know what happens? So you go to school, you come back from school. What do you do when you come back from school? You play. No, first of all you wash your hands, you have dinner, and after dinner what do? You play. Now, but back in Nigeria, we didn't play at home. We didn't use iPads, no TVs. We're not watching TVs then. Many years ago. Yes. But many years ago, we didn't have TV. So every child came out of the house and they played together. Do you like that? And it was safe. Do you play outside when you get home?
Yeah.
Do you?
I haven't got a garden.
You haven't got a garden. But
I've got a big garden.
You've got a big garden. But do you know what? We left the
I have a
gardens.
big garden.
You've got a big garden also. But those days we just left the gardens and we played all outside together. So I'll see you and I'll say, hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. And then when we finish playing, what do?
Tidy up.
Tidy up. If you have things to tidy up. After that, what happens? When it's time for bedtime, when everyone is tired, everyone gathers like you under the big tree, and you're all seated, and one adult will be seated and be telling you a story. And where are they telling the story from?
From your heart.
From the heart. And all the children under the tree. Can we make this noise of a tree under the tree and the wind is blowing? Come and do it. That shh. And everywhere's cool. Shh. And what happens? And after that, everyone goes to bed. So you say bye-bye to my friends. Bye-bye. Good night. I'm going to sleep. So what did we learn today? Where did we go to? Which continent did we go to? Africa. Everybody say we went to where? Africa. And which country did we go in Africa? Nigeria. Can we say it? Nigeria. And where do we keep stories then? Those days, long years ago, before the books?
Heart.
In our hearts. And we went out and we played with our friends. No iPad. No, mommy, give me your phone. We played with our friends and we talked to our friends. Not when you come and everybody's sitting that way and say, I want to watch my iPad. Someone I know there. Yeah? So you have played it and you play with your friends and you keep your story where? In your heart. Happy Books Day, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my story. I made it up. No, I didn't make it up. It's the truth.
Can we say thank you?
Thank you. Oh, thank you.